Hello, my name is Ms. McCormick, and I will be your band teacher this year. This will be my 5th year at Monroe, and I'm very excited to get started, even if things do look a little bit different this school year. In addition to the coronavirus and the virtual learning that we are doing here, you will have a long-term substitute through at least the end of October. My husband and I are expecting twins any day now, and we're very excited for that. Until I'm back, your substitute will need to be your go-to for grades and other school-related questions for band. When I come back, the best way to contact me is going to be by email or phone. I will keep both checked regularly. The best way for parents and students to stay up to date on all things band will be to follow the Facebook and Instagram pages. You can follow us on Facebook at Monroe MS Band and Instagram at HSA Monroe Middle School Band. So the Instagram page, it's actually written out, while in the Facebook link, it's not. I will do better about keeping both updated with current assignments and expectations than I have in the past. These will be great resources for parents and students to use if you need to contact me or you're confused about an assignment. As we move forward into the virtual learning situation, we will be focusing on Canvas in class and playing our instruments at home. Plan D and Virtual Academy students should be picking up their instruments during open house, and you should keep them there. All Plan B students, so the students coming into the building, should be picking up their instruments when they get to the school for the first 2 weeks. Your instruments will be going home with you and not coming back until I return from maternity leave. 6th grade will be the only exception. 6th graders will need to take home the paperwork, which is already in your assigned locker, and return it to the substitute to be able to take your instrument home. I have given you work for 3 weeks to be able to do without needing your instruments for assignments. After that, you will need them to complete all of the assignments posted in Canvas. In addition to this, all students will be responsible for having their own reeds, grease, and oils for their instruments. Information on how to get these items directly is located on our home Canvas page. So your students will be able to access that through Canvas. If you are a part of Plan B, again, so the students that are coming into the building, please do not come to the band room to get your instruments early. I'm talking before school. I'm talking on the day you don't have band. You must wait until you have band as the class. There are very strict guidelines that we must follow, and one of them is how many people we can have in the instrument room at the same time. And I'm sure you're all aware there's another one on how many people we can have in the band room at a time. Please wait until you have your first class to pick up your instrument. That's very important. It has been great meeting y'all, and I'm excited to work with y'all throughout this school year. I know it's going to be a little different, but let's do our best to work together and make it the best we possibly can. Thank you. Have a good night.